The Architecture Biennale in Venice allows visitors to discover not only architectural innovations but also local craftswork as they walk the streets and stay in hotels that act as unique exhibition spaces. Hotel Indigo, for example, offers the perfect backdrop for displaying local craftsmanship. In 2019, architect Manuela Manino and her firm THDP restyled the four-star boutique hotel to emphasize its history and identity. Inside the hotel, the reception lobby and restaurant act as a gallery, showcasing local arts and crafts that provide insight into century-old techniques. A prime example of this can be found in the hand-blown glass lighting fixtures and table lamps by Lido-based company Siru. Rudy Marinotto founded Siru in 1988. He uses ancient artisan techniques of Murano as well as traditional metalworking skills to produce the brand's lighting fixtures. The team welds metal rods together to create stainless steel cages used as disposable molds. Then the glass makers skillfully blow the glass inside the stainless steel cages, creating intricate shapes and designs. The glass production process includes mixture preparation, melting, refining, and cooling, all of which play a crucial role in the final product. The result is a collection of stunning lighting fixtures that enhance the beauty of hotels and establishments around the world. Hotel Indigo goes beyond showcasing glass creations. It connects its guests with local glass craftsmen. Guests have the opportunity to participate in courses with local beadworkers, gaining hands-on experience and a deeper understanding of the history of glass. Glass jewelry maker Monica Caveletto, who first began her career working for Venice, believes that hands-on experience allows guests to see glass pieces differently and gain a passion for glass that's impossible to lose. She finds that living on the islands of Venice provides inspiration for glass creations that can make the difference between products. Local workshops tend to have distinct characteristics. Most of the important glass companies do their own glass canes to achieve this distinction. Still, some small studios buy the glass canes ready to use. The glassmaking business in Venice is taken very seriously. Those involved in the sector work hard to maintain ancient techniques and traditions. They've also opened the door to allow visitors to learn, discover, and experience the world of glass in more ways than one. Caveletto is right. Once you've started learning about the history of glass, you can't stay away.